Fly onto the night wind. Take this star to her for me. Please whisper I love her. Tell her wait for me. Here it seems so cold now. How I miss her arms around me. Why not bird of love? Tell her wait for me. 'Cause you have wings, you know I let you go almost every night. And loneliness got dark to shine. Hear the bright moonlight. Night bird, fly on, fly on. Night bird, sing her my song. Oh, before you leave, take this band of gold with you. And if you can't find her, tell her I am true. 'Cause you have wings, you know I let you go almost every night. And loneliness got all the shine. In the bright moonlight. Night bird, fly on, fly on. Night bird, sing her my song. Oh, before you leave, take this band of gold with you. And if you can't find her, tell her I am true. 'Cause you have wings, you know I let you go almost every night. And loneliness got all the shine. In the bright moonlight. Night bird, fly on, fly on. Night bird, sing her my song. Night bird, fly on, fly on. A song written by the late Mackie Fury, an old friend of mine in the group called Kalikala Cuisine back in the 70s.